and an invisible zipper. And for that we need the invisible zipper foot. And as you can see, it's got 2 little slots in the back to accommodate the teeth of the zipper. For this stitch, you're going to use a center needle position, and it helps to press open the teeth of the seam. And I'm marking my seam line. Actually, I need to mark it on the front, and I do it with chalk, or actually it's best to just fold it. So let me mark a seam line, because you're going to place the teeth of the zipper on the seam line. Okay, I'm going to start with the right side facing you, the right side of the garment. I'm going to place the zipper teeth down. In other words, the zipper pole is facing the right sides of the fabric. And I'm going to start stitching with the raw edges, raw edges together. This zipper is very easy to put in backwards or on the wrong side. So I simply put the zipper teeth into the right notch. You've got 2 little channels under there, so I want the zipper under the right channel. I'm going to place this edge right here, right along the seam line. So you can chalk it or place a fold, whatever. And now I'm going to sew this just straight down. And this is a zipper that put in with the seams open. You don't sew this closed until after you're done putting in the zipper. Okay, put it one side. I'm going to fold this out of the way. And then I'm going to put this side in. Again, I could mark the zip line. And this time I'm going to put it on the left, in the left channel with the raw edges together. And like I said, it helps to fold, to press that open. We get a lot closer to the teeth. And when you are done, you'll fold your garment right side out. Notice that the zipper pull is now on the front. I'll get these threads out of the way. And your zipper closes. It closes just beautifully, leaving no line at all. So it looks just like a seam. There's no stitching showing at all. It's very simple. It's my favorite zipper to use. It's the easy